Real question is, can this be jailbroken? Well, here we go. Round two. I knew it. I knew it. The PlayStation Portal sold out. Did you get yours? What's going on, you wonderful people? I'm Brandon, and welcome to CraytonTv. Yeah. So, second time I'm recording this video. I've been sitting on the PlayStation Portal since launch day, and well, here it is. Let's get ready to open it up. So yeah, I have already recorded this video already, and I have set it up already. Typical Sony, get a box inside of a box. Nice durable box. This is your USB cable, USB-C to USB-C. Here's the PlayStation Portal itself. So let's check it out what we got right here. We got the PlayStation Portal itself. And going in hand, yes, the thumbsticks are smaller. It looks great. So what we get at top, you get your power button, the PlayStation Link feature, which works with the wireless bud earbuds, and the new headset that comes out in February or January. But the wireless earbuds do come out December 6th. You got your volume up and down switch, speaker grills at the top, L1, R1, L2. Feels good. Got your PS button on the bottom. You do have your USB-C and phone jack. That looks smaller than a normal headphone jack, to be honest. The same one, same 3.5 millivolt headphone jack. I'm telling you, this screen, I don't want to get it messed up and dirty. Make sure if you got this, if you were able to get one, get a screen protector, because it'll suck to have to, this screen crack and you can't do nothing. But looking at the device in hand, it's much lighter than what I was expecting, which is very good. Thumbsticks are smaller, and no, just if you want to know, control freaks do not work on these thumbsticks. Well, the PlayStation or the PS4 control freaks don't work. I don't know about the Nintendo Switch ones. They maybe could work. Haven't tried them out yet, but no, control freaks will not work because the thumbsticks are smaller. So you do get your little mute button, turning, face buttons, menu. Well, let's turn this on first. So there you go. And then to unlock, it just says press the PS button. But yes, this is already set up on Wi-Fi. And then just to connect, you just press X. I don't know if the screen is doing this thing justice. But so far, the PlayStation Portal has been great. I know a lot of people have been talking about the issues of it. So here's PlayStation Link, how you do it. You got your brightness, airplane mode. Here's some settings where you can go through the system, controller, the brightness, if you want to turn them on and light. So these right here is just on and off. I just leave them whatever. The screen brightness, you can make it very bright, but that does drain battery, so I'll just leave mine around 50%. You do got your controller. Vibration, I normally turn off personally. Trigger sensitivity, strong, standard. We'll try it with standard just for right now. Then you got your system. It is touchscreen. We can do a software update. It's already been updated. Power saving mode. Well, that's just the basic setup functions. But now down here in the corner, it does tell you press X to play. And then it's going to connect to your PlayStation. So yeah, here it is. PS Remote Play. Microphone's already muted. And so far, I've been liking it. So far, just been noticing it has been working out great. Such as we want to play Astro's Playroom. I don't have a lot of games on my PS5, as you can see. They're more on my PS4, but it is what it is. So far, the device, feeling it in hand, is smooth. I like it. Let's test it. Speakers. So you can see right here, I'm trying to touch the touchpad, and you can see that it's not registering. So you can tell there's delay. I keep trying it, but obviously it registers when it wants to. So, with the PlayStation Portal itself, to me, I like the way it feels in hands. I like the size and the size of the screen. You fingerprints on the screen, so you can basically get yourself a screen protector. I'll leave some options that I checked out on Amazon down in the description box down below. There will be affiliation links. So if you do purchase through my links, they do help me and help out the channel. But yes, the PlayStation Portal, I do like it. I like the feel of it. I have to get used to it. It's different than holding an actual controller because it's so spaced out. You got this 8-inch screen. I like playing with it. Been playing with it for for a while. Been using this since launch day, actually, because second time actually recording this video. And overall experience, you do have to get used to the thumbsticks. It feels more as like the backbone, a standard PS5 controller. This is the PS5 DualSense Edge. Here's a regular PS5 controller. So the thumbsticks are very smaller. And let me get the elephant out the room. Yes. So control freaks, the PS4 or the PS5 control freaks that work on the PlayStation 5 controllers, no, they do not fit on the PlayStation Portal. They stay on for a second, but then you can easily just pop them off. So they don't fit. Maybe if Control Freak makes some smaller ones, maybe that probably work for the Nintendo Switch. I don't know. I don't own a Nintendo Switch. So I will look into it and then keep you guys updated. But yes, for people that like to play with Control Freaks, no, they don't really work on the PlayStation Portal. But the way I started getting used to the PlayStation Portal when I was playing with it was, you know, instead of putting pressure onto it and, you know, holding the feel, because it's real light in the hands and it's real durable. I just don't. The thumbsticks, you do have to get used to it because of the size. So, you know, now you're playing from here versus, you know, a standard PS5 controller. You're playing much closer. My PlayStation here, my PS5 is wired in connection. So let's talk about the internet. I do have the 2.4 and the 5G set up in my household. So if you have a bigger home, the way internet works, as I'm showing you over here on this diagram, is that if you have anything that's like 2.4 gig, it's going to stretch further in your house. 5G won't stretch, you know, it stretched somewhat, and then Wi-Fi 6 doesn't really stretch that far in your household. So if you were noticing like lag issues and like, you know, stuff like that, noticing lag issues where, you know, it's disconnecting or stuff like that, and you're on a strong internet, because me, I have Verizon home internet, and I have 1,000 upload and 1,000 download. And my internet was working fine while my PlayStation is playing in wired connection. So that is, you know, that does help if you can make your PlayStation wired connection for a better latency. Going through that, so yeah, so with Wi-Fi 6, it doesn't stretch far in your home. You know, Wi-Fi 6 probably maybe like 1 to 2 bedroom apart, not that far. It's not gonna be like if you have a 2-story home. Me, I have a 1-story, but if you have a 2-story home, it's not gonna be like, well, I'm upstairs and it's downstairs. No, it's not gonna work like that. Because Wi-Fi 6 it's good for fast input, but it doesn't stretch further in your household. The 2.4 stretches further, but mine right now is set up on the 5G and it's working fine. I can test it out other places in the household. I'm also going to test it out on my smartphone's Wi-Fi and get some like gameplay of that. I did show a little gameplay, and the gameplay I noticed, my PlayStation 5 right now is set up to 120 FPS on Fortnite. And I did notice while I was playing PS Remote Play, because this is a LCD 1080p 60 FPS screen with hertz, but in the corner when I was playing Fortnite, it was still pulling 120. So I don't know if that's, I don't know, it was just weird. I was like, okay, I thought it was going to drop down to 60, but for me being sitting right here, like my PlayStation literally right here, it was running solid and smooth. But I'm gonna go to another section of my house. So I came in my kitchen, and just so you can see, I am connected to my iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is actually recording at the same time. So we're gonna see test some gameplay and see how much better this is on a personal hotspot using my cell phone. I am connected right now to the PS Remote Play on my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it's recording at the same time. So let's try, you know, let's try some Fall Guys. Just to see. This is off my personal hotspot on my phone. It would ask me. So here's where you get lag issues. When you have to download a game and it has to download it before you can play it, you will get some lag issues because this is only a Wi-Fi device. Uh-oh. And that says checking your connection. Here we go. Okay. So as long as my PlayStation is in my room, wired connection, I'm connected to my iPhone 14 Pro Max hotspot. Oh, well, there's another one. So let's see. So we'll try another Fortnite game while that downloads. See how this actually works. So that's 60 FPS, so this home screen here is FPS. But keep an eye out on the corner up here, and you're gonna see 120. See that? That says 120. So that's coming from the PlayStation. So the touchpad are right here. I have been noticing it does take time for it to register, and like, look, I'm pressing the screen and it takes its time to register. Can be annoying at times. So, my final thoughts with the PlayStation Portal. I actually like it. I really do. I like the size of it. I like the weight of it. It feels great to me in hand. I would just say when you're using it, you know, be gentle on the thumbsticks because we don't know if it's going to get stick drift, which it will suck if it does get stick drift because then this is going to be a $200 brick and you won't be able to use it. So hopefully this thing doesn't get stick drift. So far, if you've been enjoying this video, give this video a like and subscribe if you are new. But overall thoughts of the PlayStation Portal, I like it. I like the size of it, the screen. I have my PlayStation PS5 plugged in wired connection and I'd had no lag or difference. You can tell that there's a little delay, especially when you touch the touchscreen, because like when you play certain games and that requires you, like for me, I play Fortnite, and when I play Fortnite, my pickaxe is the touchpad. So when you touch the screen, it's like a delay to it for it to register, but it's not bad, but it's noticeable. So you can notice it, but you can get by with it. You know, if you want to just reprogram it to something else. Everything else to me was fine. I like the screen. I like the plan. I did connect it to my iPhone 14 Pro Max as I showed you in the demonstration on Verizon. What? On Verizon Network. I have it on Verizon Network. So that's what my cell phone carrier is with Verizon Wireless. And for me, I had no lag. I had no glitches, no stuttering or nothing. That's probably because my PlayStation 5 is wired connection. So if you want to get the best performance for this, use your PlayStation in wired if you can. Because on Wi-Fi, you're going to get delays or you're going to get glitches and stuff, or you may get disconnects. And the reason why is because if you have a bigger home, you're going to have a bigger home, you got tons of devices on your Wi-Fi network, that does slow down your network. So the more devices that's on your Wi-Fi network, the slower it's going to run. Keep that in mind. But overall specs, the PlayStation Portal is good. I'm going to be testing out real more. And, you know, the PlayStation Portal, it is sold out. So, you know, scalpers, they're trying to sell this thing now for like $330 to $400, especially on eBay. That's crazy. Do not pay that. Wait for December because there's going to be some more restocks through Sony PlayStation Direct. I will leave that link down there also so you can be able to jump on in the second wave. But so far, I like it. I'm enduring it. Can't wait for the wireless headsets. Whatever you guys want to know or see about the PlayStation Portal, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm always looking down there to respond and see what you guys' feedback is. So share your opinions on the PlayStation Portal. Do you think it sucks? A lot of people think it sucks just because it's just a Wi-Fi device. But hey, I'm not tripping because who is this thing really for? It's actually, you know, it's for you, if the consumer, if you really wanted it. Me, I bought it because I enjoyed it and I wanted to see what it's all about. And I'm really liking it. It's for you if you really, really wanted it. If you didn't want it and you didn't really care, then hey, it is what it is. But me, I got it. I'm happy with it. I'm going to enjoy it. I want to keep playing it, see what else I can figure out. So share your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section down below. The real question is, can this be jailbroken? Well, thanks for watching. Happy holidays. God bless everybody. And I'm signing out of here. Peace.